has embarked on an unprecedented move. It has decided to punish the betrayal by Beijing after the Galwan gallantry. It is now the state that is leading the charge against the Chinese Communist Party and the Chinese government. A whole host of Chinese apps have been delisted by the Indian government. So these apps will no longer be legal in this country. Let's go straight across to Navika Kumar for more on this story. Navika, what are these apps and why has the government contemplated this step, given the fact that many people have been saying, the last few days that, you can't do all of this, you'll crash the entire economy, etc., if you take punitive measures against China?
Well, Rahul, what I can tell you is, even as we speak, a notification has just been signed by the government, and this notification bans at least what we are being told about 59 Chinese apps. 59 Chinese apps are being banned by the government. A notification has just been signed, as our sources are telling us. We are also hearing at this point in time that the government is shortly expected to come out with a statement. The top Chinese apps in 2020 have been listed as TikTok, PUBG Mobile, UC Browser, Hello, Share It, Zender, VMate, CamScan. All of these are the top most popular apps that have been listed in India over this year, 2020, and these apps are on the list. We'll have to wait for the exact number because the notification, we understand, has just been formalized, and I was last told that it is 59, but definitely above 40 Chinese apps are being banned in India, and this is hitting back China where it hurts most, because there are many of these apps that operate in India. In fact, TikTok alone has about 11 crore followers, PUBG another 3 or 4 crore followers. So these are popular apps. The fact that they have such a follower base and the fact that these are going to be off on all Indian phones is going to be a huge economic hitback at Chinese companies, especially those putting apps. And this is the first big strike that has been made by the Modi government. 59 apps is what? 59 or thereabouts are the number of apps that are going to be banned.